What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we are going to select the winner of the $100 Amazon gift card. As you can see, I already have the video selected, sorry, and I have it pasted here in a YouTube random comment picker. I did select filter out duplicates, so we won't have to worry about people having multiple entries. But yeah, this is going to be a short one, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so it looks like we have 44 unique comments there. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, looks like it is Amir Williams. He won. Alright, so let me go ahead and reach out to him and get him the actual Amazon gift card. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I will be doing more giveaways. If you guys are interested, want me to do one next month, let me know. Would you be more interested in a car part or another Amazon gift card? I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.